Hey everybody, welcome back. It's a little bit different, but this is our first week of the optional continuous learning. So you'll be hearing from a lot of your teachers this week as everyone will be providing you with some optional learning as we kind of get our way through these next couple weeks. Hopefully we'll come back to school on May 1st, but until that point, you'll be provided with weekly optional learning. So teachers are also going to be sharing with you their office hours. So office hours are something you'll definitely hear about in college, but it is a time where professors, teachers are available to answer questions. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I will be sitting by my computer ready to answer your questions. Now, of course, if you send me an email outside of that time, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But definitely within 24 hours, you'll hear back from me. So maybe you're working on a simulation, which we'll talk about here in a second, and you want me to reset it. That is something that I could do very quickly and get back to you as quick as I can. So we are going to be continuing with our simulation. We're going to finish that up over the next couple weeks. So for this week, you'll be doing the concessions and the sponsorship simulation. And then something additional that I offered that was optional was a discussion board. So looking here at the page that'll be available to you starting today, you will see kind of the plan for the week. This is also going to be shared with your parents, the learning targets for the week, and then an optional discussion board. So for this week, you can see here, first thing, if you choose to, would be to watch this video, then complete the concession simulation, then the sponsorship simulation, and then if you choose to also participate in the discussion board. So these are all, again, optional, which I'm sure you've heard from other teachers, but unless it is a DMAC class, everything is optional. So keep that in mind as you're prioritizing what you're going to be working on over these next few weeks. And again, let me know if you have any questions.